kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Bunch of lies.
Welcome to another day in our life. Today, the Mac sisters are going shopping and we would love for you to come along, join us on our shenanigan, and shop at all of our favorite store with us. So you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, boo, and let's get started. Cheers! Our day actually begins when the girls wakes up. They make so much noise that everyone wake up along with them.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Growing up in a really full house, I love it when people come to visit. I love it when my family come by. I love the noisy morning and people coming randomly in and out of my room like we're having a family meeting out of nowhere. No! Please don't hit me! Please don't hit me! Ah!
Beep, mommy, beep, beep, beep. They got a little diaper. Doesn't she look like Crystal with no butt?
No, she has a butt.
I know, but it's like her diaper makes it look like she has no butt. Hi, Crystal.
She's attempting to understand what are we doing with the toy over there.
The what?
Oh my god, are you seriously gonna walk like that?
The what? How somebody walk?
That's how I'm not walk.
And what are you doing, huh?
Come on down, Katie.
And what are you doing, huh? What are you doing, huh?
Đi xuống. Anyways, today we're going to be going shopping, so when my husband come home with the coffee, all the girls will go upstairs and get ready while he babysit for us. After we're done getting ready, I'm going to head to church with my husband and the girls stay home. For breakfast, we are all having dim sum. It actually always takes a long time for the dumpling to come back, mainly because it's Sunday, and on Sunday everyone in Boston go out and get dumpling. So we got ready. Presenting the J-Lo sisters! Yes, we decided to pull our hair back and look like J-Lo today. And I swear to God, it isn't us. It's actually TILIA's idea. She wanted to pull her hair back, and so we all did it for her birthday.
Y'all come over here. Want to pour the thing first, make it as natural as possible. Yeah.
Oh, where's that snack? Not really ready to picture.
Oh, no chili oil.
Oh, Mgama.
Chow fun is really good.
What's good?
Chow fun, this one. It's really good.
You guys want sriracha?
You got chili oil?
We have it right here. Hold on, I know we have it. It's us out there, that's what it is. And I know we have it. Should I put her on that baby seat? Yes you can. Don't show us it still. Don't leave it by herself. I don't want her face first.
Oh, she's trying to reach for it.
No, this one. This is my one.
Oh, look at Cara. Hi.
Everybody,
Can we get Cara in the shot?
Wow.
Wow. Dun, dun, dun.
Love life.
What are you doing here if you're not eating?
No. Okay.
Chai.
This?
What is it?
Mày cho.
Sriracha really?
That. I'll give her this. Oh.
Okay.
You don't get mustard here.
Yummy.
After breakfast, it is now time to head out. I'm gonna pray the girls are gonna be good because this is technically when they get sleepy and naughty. Hi, Kara. Hi, Katie. I see both of you. Yeah? I know, now I gotta get something to cover the sun for you too. I know. We finally arrived at Prudential, and right now we're walking toward Yves Saint Laurent, Erica, Tilia, and Lily is already there. Tilia wanted to grab a few things from there, and it doesn't hurt because I also want to look at some new boots. Hi, baby.
That sounds so good. Yeah, you can just punch me and get away with it. Sucker punch me. Oh. Okay.
It's honestly always a pleasure to be at YSL. Hands down, this location has the nicest rep. Anyways, while we're waiting for our shoes to be delivered and our bag to be brought out to us, we're going to just enjoy our drinks.
How are you gonna tell me that I look like I work here?
Oh, hold on. Mommy Job's calling. Retail therapy is good, but the real reason why we're here is because, one, Tilia is picking out a few things for her beloved, and we are picking out a few things for her birthday. So we just want to see what she likes, and whatever she likes, we'll just pay for it. Today, I am in the market for some boots. The one I'm wearing is sharp. I'm looking for some rounder toe boot, and I found this one at Saint Laurent. I like it.
This is a dumpling.
She's a sack of flour.
You're pretty cute. Hi. Hi, my name is Kara.
I got these the last time I was here. So hopefully I'll like these pair this time. Oh, Louis Vuitton has a small baby bag yet? Let's go buy Kate a bag.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah, let's go look at it. If it looks cute on Kate, let's buy her. I think it looks cute on me.
I like it.
Yeah, I really like it.
I actually like it.
Also.
Yeah. Is it comfortable?
Yes, of course it's more. Look at the heel. Of course it's more. Okay, I'll take it. Is it comfortable? Let me see it though. This part hurts a little bit right here. Maybe
What do you need to
Well,
have?
they are 36. This is 37. No, this is 37. I should get 37 and a half.
Yeah.
Get a half size up?
I just kind of wish it was more pointy. No, this I have.
I like the rounded toe.
You like rounded toe?
It's like rounded, but not.
Look, I do want this a little bit. Look at my fat. Đẹp quá ha. In fact, I just want blue. Oh shoot. I do not have license. Like my legs are destroyed after having kids.
No, there's Kate.
Hi, Kate.
You like them?
She wants to stay about. Have kids, they say. It'll be fun, they said. Bunch of lies.
What about you? You got any you like? Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and drop us a comment down below if you want more of these kind of shopping video, because Tilia is coming back and we'll go shopping again.
Oh no.
I removed. Why do sunglasses look bad so bad at me?
It's because you're not douche enough. That's Lily's face.
Lily's a douche. She do the douching.
Can we go to Louis Vuitton and buy you a small baby purse? New baby purses? Yeah? Wanna go see Athena?
I found one that was not good cost.
Yêu nó. Em có muốn ngồi không? Mẹ cho con đụng mà đụng con nhá. You wanna sit here?
I look like I'm about to.
I like it though. No, I like it. I like it, yeah.
These are better. These are better.
It matches the outfit. I think it's the outfit.
There you
You know
go.
what? In those ones, you look like an assassin in real life.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
These
You're,
ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah?
Grace.
Yeah? Yeah? They don't have baby shoes, unfortunately. She's like, the camera's on, I must act. Wow.
You got too much love in me for your hate.
Yep.
Kate, what are you doing? Weapon. That's pepper spray. No, big girl.
And you're not my mama.
Do what I want. Whoa, look at you.
Let me see.
Whoa.
She like,
You know
no.
she's gonna do it again. Yeah. Put it on.
She looked really good in that vintage Chanel.
Ooh, look at you, mama. Give it back to me.
She like, so, why you take off me? I'm so pretty with it on.
Okay.
After paying for everything, we are now at Gucci. Hopefully, Tilia will find her presents. Kara is currently with Daddy, and Kate is currently feeding, so hopefully she'll go to bed.
So he knows.
Are you sisters? Should I call him now?
Honestly, I think he's working.
I have a pair of those boots too, and they're
No, they're not so bad.
Yes, all of my training in public does work. When it is Kate nap time, Kate go take her little nap, and it's a 2-hour nap, doesn't matter where we are, so I'm very blessed.
Smaller.
They do have a smaller size. Look down.
That's it.
They didn't bring them.
A middle size one.
Ask them for a middle size. I'm pretty sure they'll have it in stock.
Do you think? But in this.
Okay.
It was your birthday, right?
Her birthday.
Your
That's why we're
birthday.
shopping for her. Well, how are you gonna drink without cheering? Okay, let's wrap that up. What's your size though? Ask her.
Hi, 75, right? For you? What size?
I'm a 75.
I'm a 75 then.
Erica's smoking.
What? Erica smoking?
Which one?
A platform.
The green one?
The platform.
I thought you said that he got you that one, the green
No,
one.
he got me those. I think in Denver he's gonna buy me those.
I would assume that one.
Yeah.
Right now.
The white one. Oh my god. This one is cuter than, well,
No, I like the black.
yeah, I like the black one on you. But make sure you white. That is so
The white
cute.
version. It's on you. That's what you should look. It's like meant for you. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, these are so you.
I know, they're really pretty. It's hard to style this with just anything other than
Or do you feel that shoulders are good?
Alright, okay, it felt. That's cute.
I didn't like open them until
At least she found a belt she likes. Looking like a boss babe.
You think white is Shantae? You think this color over the tan? This is the only color they have for that
In your size?
Yeah. Oh, you don't like it?
No, I don't mind it. Tilia, it's what you wear. You can get white. I already have it.
fitting.
I think a 40 is your size.
We just tried a 40.
I tried the 40 and
She didn't like the lining on her shoulder.
I think we need some like the
maybe
Saint
it's
Laurent.
maybe it's the actual style.
I think
Because honestly, I think
You like the really big size? I like this size. This is the
Yeah.
nicest
they don't
size.
have.
Over here too, this section isn't it? Oh, sorry.
But if I'm wearing it with jeans, and not even with. Get a thinner one.
Yeah.
Right. Black.
And birthday girl found more and more things to add to her present list.
Yes.
Yeah. It's very you.
550.
It's very you.
You think so?
I hope this works. And it makes me happy when she finds things she likes, because when you go designer shopping, it's better to find something and walk away with it. Cheers! And cheers!
It's so loose. And then we get orange for you, either here or directly to you.
Yeah, I had it in trouble or something.
I honestly don't want to make this sound very stuck up, but when we go shopping, we go shopping. We don't go shopping very often, so when we do shop, we go all out. And when something isn't in our size or the store doesn't carry it, we tend to get pretty sad.
Y'all look real sad shopping.
It doesn't come in her size, and I'm sad. I want her to walk away with it. I don't want to feel like she has to buy something. Tip-wise, when you are shopping in one of these designer stores, it's better to have a rep, because when you have a rep, they don't mind you recording, especially when you're the type to buy. If you don't, a lot of the time security will literally tell you can't record. But I'm glad TILIA found some more shoes.
I already know.
They look really big.
Yes, I already know. I have 39. I have those in the 39s too.
Try them on.
Which one is
The rep is going to wrap up everything, and now we're heading over to Chanel. Lily has a few bags put away for us.
Way better than that. I think, you know what? Both I have silver on my home.
I like silver.
Silver on white.
I've been aiming for silver. Put it on. Put it on.
this is
Okay, I know what to say. This is really pretty.
Whoa. Whoa. This one.
This
I
is
like
that.
them both.
This is so pretty.
Yeah.
This is cute, right? This is
It's so
adorable.
cute. I was saying that I
What's
needed a
Shantae?
size that was not. What about that belt though?
the belt is not available. That's sold out.
What about 80?
I didn't check 80, but I checked 72. Okay, so Bell Harbor is still going through their wait list for that one, so I reached out to another boutique right now.
Well, what size is that?
Take your time. I feel like we tried this last time.
It's silver over there.
Yeah, I'm pretty confident. It's the same thing.
Is it new?
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah. I like that one too.
Yeah, this is cute too. This is cute.
Ooh, dark gray or white?
Oh my god, I do like this one. Cái này bao nhiêu thôi? Bao nhiêu vậy? Really? I like it. It's
I pulled it too. But I don't know if cái này đáng hay không. Coi thử cái này nếu 3 thì đáng. Cái này là 3 năm á. 3 năm.
Tôi thấy đẹp á. You see how it looks on this wing. It's not a plastic. Yeah, it's not. It's a fun piece. The wallets? You're right. It's not a plastic. The logo's pretty, that's fine.
It is really pretty. The logo.
Yeah, and I like that. It feels like
Shape leaves much to be desired.
that's the only new thing.
No, there's walk around. There's lots of them.
The new walk. Wow, the new walk. The new walk is yeah.
And no, we don't always look our best when we go shopping. Sometimes we just scrub out because we have a rep at the store anyways, and we're just not people who tire kick. Whenever we do go shopping, we like to walk away with something. That is why we're kind of the worst person to shop with, because if we don't get what we want leaving, we just feel sad.
I took a snap of it. That's how I saw it. And I was like, wow, it's so cute. And it looked cute, like small.
Depending on the price. Dưới 3.000 thì ok.
Này chắc là 4.000.
3.000, 3.500 là ok. Còn
Chắc là
hơn
cái này 4.000.
4.000 thì nó hơi steep for cái bao này. Tại vì
Oh, wow, it's so cheap. It's only 2,600.
told you.
Welcome to the bag collection. Welcome home. Now that you've shopped with the older sisters, if you're interested in watching the little sisters shop with me, go ahead and continue watching the next video.